Ready, start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, after a long debate, it is rather tiresome for most members to hear again a long speech. Full stop. I shall therefore confine my reply to the salient points which have been raised in the course of the debate. Full stop. In the course of the debate, certain questions were asked. Full stop. They require answer. Full stop. There were certain opinions expressed as their own, as their interpretation. Full stop. Then there was a general discussion, and then there was a tirade. Full stop. So I will have to sort out my replies to each one of these things in an appropriate way and meet the points raised. Full stop. Para. At the outset, I would like to express my sincere thanks for all the persons who have contributed to the debate. Full stop. I am very happy that all members who participated in the debate had made a thorough study of the memorandum which the government submitted, the assessment made by the IMF staff, and have very carefully analyzed and compared the one with the other. And I want to thank them for drawing my attention to certain things for which my reply is needed. Full stop. Sir, broadly, I will deal with the points which require explanation. Full stop. The honorable member raised the point as to how this money is going to be used, and this seems to be worrying a large number of members. Full stop. This loan is not a budgetary support. Full stop. This is only an assistance to meet the foreign exchange deficit of the government of India. Full stop. This rupees 5,000 and odd crores will not be brought into budget at all. Full stop. It cannot be spent on any of the things on which many members wanted it should be done. Full stop. In fact, some people even thought that it should be distributed, being such a large amount. Full stop. Para. I have mentioned in the course of my introductory statement this morning that at the end of this year there would be deficit on current account of about rupees 3,000 crores at the end of this year. Full stop. If it continues for another year, then rupees 3,500 and odd crores, which is now foreign exchange reserve in our possession, will be exhausted, and we will have no foreign exchange whatsoever to meet our essential obligation. And if at that time we want and try to borrow, I said we will not be able to borrow. Full stop. We shall have to go and beg. Full stop. Para. Today we are in a position of strength with foreign exchange reserve of about rupees 3,500 crores. Full stop. We are raising this loan, and this loan cannot be used either for budgetary purposes, for defense purposes, or for internal administration, or anything of the kind. Full stop. But indirectly it will have on salutary effect. Full stop. The foreign exchange which would otherwise have to meet from our own earnings could be used for better purposes, particularly for internal use. Full stop. But this amount as such will be transferred to the Reserve Bank of India, and people who want the foreign exchange must pay in rupees to the Reserve Bank of India and request release of foreign exchange from the Reserve Bank of India. Full stop. This is the modality of operation. Full stop para. The question was asked, is it necessary to have this large loan? Question mark. What I have established is only a line of credit. Full stop. I have not borrowed rupees 5,000 crores, but I have established a line of credit by which I would be entitled to borrow up to rupees 5,000 crores in the course of 3 years if I want. Full stop. At the present moment, it appears that we may require it. Full stop. But there are possibilities of our not being under pressure to use this money under certain circumstances. Full stop. For instance, we may increase our oil production, and if we increase our oil production, then our import of oil will go down, and to that extent we will not be requiring foreign exchange. Full stop. The honorable member said, your refinery capacity is fully employed, so what will you do? Question mark. What is usually done in internal oil business is you swap the crude for the product, and if we produce a larger quantity of crude in our country, we will be able to swap crude for the products with other countries, and we will be able to reduce to a very large extent our import of oil and oil products. Full stop para. I am a believer of God, and God willing, it may be that if the prospects which we have in oil exploration, particularly in the Bombay High, in the Godavari Basin, and the Cauvery Basin, prove to be successful in the course of 7 or 8 years, it would be possible to reduce our dependence on the imported oil to become more or less self sufficient. Full stop. This is possible only when concerted effort is made by the state governments to achieve the targets laid down for production in the years to come. Full stop. But in any event, we expected up to 2070% of our requirements would be met by us, and rest will have to be imported. Full stop. Overall,